Hey there, fellow travelers! Today, I'm super excited to take you on a journey through some of the most regal destinations you absolutely can't miss. Let's dive right in. First up, we have the magnificent Buckingham Palace in London. This iconic residence of the British monarchy is steeped in history and grandeur. Don't miss the changing of the guard ceremony. It's a must-see. Next, let's jet off to France and explore the opulent Palace of Versailles. Once the centre of political power in France, this palace boasts stunning gardens, lavish interiors, and the famous Hall of Mirrors. It's a royal experience you won't forget. Now, pack your bags for Jaipur, India, and the stunning Amer Fort. This majestic fort, with its intricate architecture and breathtaking views, is a true gem of Rajasthan. Take an elephant ride up to the fort for a touch of royal adventure. Heading over to Russia, the Winter Palace in St. Petersburg is a sight to behold. This former imperial residence is now part of the Hermitage Museum, home to one of the largest art collections in the world. The sheer opulence here is mind-blowing. Don't miss the Schönbrunn Palace in Vienna, Austria. Once the summer residence of the Habsburg rulers, this palace and its expansive gardens offer a glimpse into imperial luxury. Be sure to check out the Gloriette for stunning city views. And last but not least, visit the Forbidden City in Beijing, China. This ancient palace complex, with its rich history and grand architecture, was the home of emperors for almost 500 years. It's a true treasure trove of Chinese culture and history. For a complete list of popular destinations, visit my website, woodestinations.com. Thanks for tuning in, and happy travels!